Hey there! Today we're cooking a simple, tasty dish that's probably the most ordered on any Chinese restaurant menu, Kung Pao chicken. First, remove the skin from the chicken breast. Then butterfly the chicken breast since they're a little bit too thick. I'm also boiling some chicken meat and broth for my puppy. Next, slice the chicken into even strips, making sure they're roughly the same size for even cooking. Then cut the strips into bite-sized cubes. Then set aside for later marination. Now let's make some scallion ginger water to marinate the chicken. Use the peel of ginger along with some chopped scallions. And immerse them in water. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. While waiting, cut extra ginger and scallions to fry with the chicken later. If your scallions are large and thick, slice them lengthwise to enhance the release of their aroma. Slice 3 to 4 garlic cloves into thin pieces. No smashing the garlic this time though. Next, cut some dried red chili peppers. The quantity depends on your taste preference. The scallion ginger water should now be ready. Let's proceed by marinating the chicken with a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sherry, 1 tablespoon of kikkoman soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of scallion ginger water. Mix and massage the chicken well so the flavors infuse into the meat. Set the chicken aside to marinate for about 10 minutes. Now let's prepare some sauce to use when stir-frying the chicken. 1 tablespoon of sherry, 1 tablespoon of kikkoman soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, some salt, 3 tablespoons of ginger scallion water. Two tablespoons of cornstarch. You can also use potato starch. Mix well. I'm boiling the chicken skin and meat that was cut earlier, so our dog can also enjoy the meal with us. Now for the last ingredient, stir-fried peanuts. Adjust the heat to low to medium. Keep stirring continuously or the peanuts will burn. If you've never stir-fried peanuts before, I highly recommend keeping the heat low and being patient. Place the peanuts on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Now let's stir-fry the chicken. Unfortunately, I don't have a gas stove, so using a regular pan works better for stir-frying in my case. Once the chicken is nearly cooked through, remove it from the pan and set it aside for later. Sauté the Sichuan peppercorns over low heat. Add the chopped dried chili peppers. Followed by the sliced ginger and scallions. Once the aromas of the Sichuan peppercorns, hot peppers, and other ingredients have been released, add the cooked chicken to the stir-fry. Toss in some extra scallions, garlic, and a pinch of salt for added flavor. Once the flavors of the seasoning and the chicken have melded together, pour in the prepared sauce along the edge of the pan. Mix everything well to ensure the flavors are evenly combined. Last but not least, add the fried peanuts. This will give the dish a delightful crunch. Tender, juicy chicken paired with crunchy peanuts, all coated in a savory and mildly spicy sauce. That creates an unforgettable taste experience. Serve it with a bowl of steamed rice to soak up that delicious sauce, and you've got a meal that is as satisfying as it is flavorful. My sleeping puppy woke up from the irresistible aroma of the Kung Pao chicken. She gets a piece of boiled chicken as a special treat. By the way, her name is Alice, just in case you were curious.